Welcome back to the Smart Seller Series, where we help Houston homeowners sell smart and move forward with confidence. I'm Evans Charles with Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm, and today we're answering the questions every seller asks first. What is my home really worth? Let's break it down. Before you list your home, understanding its true value is one of the most important steps you can take. And after more than 18 years helping sellers across Greater Houston, from Pearland to Katy, from Missouri City to the Inner Loop, we can tell you this with confidence. Most homeowners are either overestimating or underestimating their home's value. Let's clear up the confusion. Let's start with the biggest myth. Online estimates like Zillow or Trulia are not accurate. In Houston, they can be off by $10,000, $30,000, even $50,000. Why? Because algorithms do not know your upgrades. They don't know your floor plan, your home's condition, your street's demand, your neighborhood's micro market, your school zones. Only a human expert who knows Houston inside and out can determine real value. There are three factors that actually determine your home's worth in the real world. Not online, not on paper, but in today's Houston market. Number one, comparable sales. We look at homes in your neighborhood that sold in the last 90 to 180 days. But that's not all. We compare homes with the same size, layout, age, lot, and features. This tells us the price that buyers are actually paying for homes today. Your home's condition. Two homes can have the exact same floor plan and sell for completely different prices. Why? Condition. Fresh paint, clean updates, updated fixtures, curb appeal, these all add value. Three, market timing. Spring and early summer often can bring strong sales and inventory levels, huge impacts. Timing your listing can mean the difference between one showing and multiple offers. So how do we actually calculate your home's true value? We create what's called a comparative market analysis, or CMA. But don't let the names intimidate you. I'll explain it simply. A CMA compares your home to homes currently for sale, homes that are recently sold, homes that didn't sell, homes that are under contract. This gives three key insights: your likely sale price, your home's competition, your expected days on the market. A CMA is not an appraisal. It's better because it reflects real buyer behavior, current market momentum, and what homes actually sold for, not just bank values. Here's where sellers often get stuck and lose money. Number one, overpricing. If you price too high, buyers won't even look at your home. After 50 to 30 days, your listing becomes stale and buyers assume something is wrong, even when nothing is. Overpricing leads to price cuts, frustration, and lower final sale price. Number two, on the other hand, underpricing your home can cost you thousands, especially in a strong neighborhood. Homes that are priced too low often sell fast, but not necessarily for the highest possible amount. The goal, strategic pricing, the sweet spot of a strategic price based on data, condition, and demands. And that's exactly what we help homeowners find. Figuring out your home's value doesn't have to be stressful. You don't need to guess. And at Brooks and Davis, we do this every single day. We know the neighborhoods, we know the trends, and we know how to position your home to get the strongest results. If you want clarity on what your home could sell for in today's market, we would love to help you. Click the link below or scan the QR code to schedule your free seller strategy session. We will walk you through it, your real home value, your neighborhood's activity, your best timing strategy, and how to get the highest possible return. I'm Evans Charles with Brooks and Davis Real Estate Firm. Thanks for watching episode 2 of the Smart Seller series, and we will see you in episode 3. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's thinking about selling their home. Thank you.